Welcome. Today you will learn how to evaluate complex algebraic expressions by identifying and applying the square of a trinomial formula. Our goal is to find the value of a specific expression given the values for x, y, and z. Let's look at our problem. We are given that x equals 3, y equals 4, and z equals 5. And the expression we need to solve is 9x squared plus 16y squared plus 4z squared minus 24xy minus 16yz plus 12zx. Now, we could plug the numbers in directly, but that would involve a lot of large calculations. Instead, let's see if we can simplify this expression using an algebraic identity. To simplify our expression, we should recognize it as a perfect square of a trinomial. Recall the algebraic identity, a plus b plus c, all squared, equals a squared plus b squared plus c squared, plus 2ab plus 2bc, plus 2ca. Let's rewrite our expression to match this pattern. First, we look at the squared terms. 9x squared is the square of 3x, and 4z squared is the square of 2z. Now, notice the negative signs in our expression. Since the terms containing y are negative, we will represent 16y squared as negative 4y, all squared. So far, we have our a squared, b squared, and c squared. Now let's verify if the rest of the expression fits the 2ab, 2bc, and 2ca pattern. 2 times 3x times negative 4y gives us negative 24xy. 2 times negative 4y times 2z gives us negative 16yz. And finally, 2 times 2z times 3x gives us positive 12zx. It matches perfectly. This means we can collapse the entire expression into a single squared term. The expression simplifies to 3x minus 4y plus 2z, all squared. This is much easier to work with. Now that we have simplified the expression, the final step is to substitute the given values of x, y, and z to find the numerical result. Let's plug these values in. We replace x with 3, y with 4, and z with 5. Notice how we use parentheses to keep the multiplication clear. Now, let's perform the arithmetic inside the brackets. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 2 times 5, which is 10. Next, we combine these numbers. 9 minus 16 is negative 7. Adding 10 to negative 7 gives us positive 3. So we are left with 3 squared. Finally, 3 squared equals 9. To recap, by recognizing the algebraic identity, we avoided large calculations like squaring 48 or multiplying 16 by 20. We simplified the expression first, substituted our values, and found that the final answer is 9. You are now able to evaluate complex algebraic expressions by identifying the square of a trinomial. Great job!